So I'm down at the, I don't know, some kind of a cove or whatever. Anyway, yeah, just came across this fishing boat. It's about what, 3 meters at the most. 1, 2, it's about 4 meters. Before that. Yeah, this is what they go out and fishing. This is one of the smaller ones. It's fiberglass. The pegs for the oars. The box to put the fish in. And the actual oars themselves. And I guess that's for scooping the water out. The bilge pump. And yeah, that's the bay. It's just a rocky bay. We're on the east coast, so the Atlantic Sea's here. What is seaweed? So yeah, that's it. Take care. See you later. Bye.